Google Workspace, Gmail not receiving emails, here's how to fix it. Basically, to be able to receive emails through Google Workspace, Gmail account, you need to have three things in place. And I'll show you where the settings are. Do keep in mind that Rank Your YouTube channel has created tutorials for verifying your domain, which you need to receive emails, and also you need to change MX records, and I've created a tutorial for that as well. So I'll show you where the settings are. Through your Workspace admin console, press on account, press on domains, manage domains, and here you need to verify your domain. If you haven't done so already, you need to add domain. Then under apps, Gmail, let's press on that. Here we've got setup option. Let's press on that tab. As you can see, your domain mail exchange records need to point to smtp.google.com. So you need to modify DNS settings on your domain name registrar DNS settings, okay? You can always, get the instructions if you haven't done so already. But as I've said, I've created tutorials showing how to easily do that too. Then there is one more setting. Under directory, let's press users. Let's press on a particular admin user. Here you need to add alternative emails. Let's imagine you were using a particular email address, but now you're using Google Workspace and you want to send and receive emails for your domain using Gmail. Then you need to add alternative emails for the current email address that you were using before you used Google Workspace. So you can add up to 30 alternative emails, because when you do this, then the people who had your email address, when they send the email, you'll receive it through Google Workspace, Gmail. So this is how you troubleshoot email receiving problems with Google Workspace, Gmail account.